In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent and removes your personal access to all your work and any workspaces you're part of. Items you created in shared spaces may remain for your teammates, usually attributed to a deleted user or reassigned by a Workspace admin. If you need records for your own reference, consider saving anything important ahead of time. First, open ClickUp in your web browser and sign in. This process works best on desktop where the settings are easy to find. Once you're in, let the app load fully so all menus appear correctly. It's normal for busy workspaces to take a moment if you have a lot of tasks or spaces. Next, look for your profile icon. It's your avatar, typically shown as your initials or a photo. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it near the lower left or upper right corner of the interface. Click that profile icon to open your personal menu. This is where ClickUp groups options related to your account, notifications, themes, and profile details. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal account settings, not your workspace settings. If you see multiple tabs or sections, focus on the ones tied to your profile rather than workspace administration. Give the page a second to load. Settings can be organized into categories like Profile, Security, Notifications, and Privacy. Now, scroll through the settings until you see the option to delete your account. It's usually labeled Delete Account or something similar and is often placed toward the bottom of the page, near Privacy or Security controls. When you find it, click the Delete option. ClickUp will show a confirmation prompt explaining what will be removed and what remains accessible to others. Read this carefully. If you proceed, you may be asked to confirm your choice by entering your password or acknowledging a warning. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. Once confirmed, your session will end and you'll be signed out as your account is scheduled for deletion. If you don't see the delete option, double-check that you're in your personal account settings and not only viewing workspace-level preferences. In some cases, interface changes or permission settings can move the control, so use the settings search bar, if available, to look for Delete Account. If you still can't find it, consult ClickUp's Help Center or contact their support for guidance. That's it. You've learned exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when deleting your ClickUp account. Thanks for watching, and take care.